Hello, I'm Stacia Meisner, and I'll be presenting Data Flow Transformations. In the previous module, we learned about the pipeline architecture of the data flow task and focused on the beginning and end of the pipeline by reviewing each of the available data sources and data destinations. In this module, we'll focus on the various transformations that are available to change the content or structure of the data before we send it to its destination. First, we'll look at row transformations. These are the transformations that operate on data one row at a time. Then we'll look at row set transformations. With these transformations, the number of rows and sometimes the number of columns change, which means that the amount of data that goes in is not necessarily the same amount of data that comes out. Of course, that's metaphorically speaking. Data doesn't really flow through transformations, but instead transformations pass over data, as we learned in the previous module during the discussion on the pipeline architecture. Next, we'll look at the split and join transformations. This group of transformations will take data and create multiple outputs from it, or do the opposite, taking multiple inputs to produce a single output. The Enterprise edition of SQL Server includes several business intelligence transformations for integration services for data cleansing, text mining, and data mining operations. And we'll wrap up with a handful of transformations that don't fit into any other category.